How to use Moodle app for UNISA exam. Here's how to use the Moodle app for your UNISA exam. Download the official Moodle app from Google Play, App Store, or Huawei App Gallery. Launch the app and select University of South Africa as your institution. Use your UNISA or My Life email address and password to sign in. After logging in, view your course dashboard to see all your registered modules. Tap the module for which you are writing the exam. Then go to Exams, Quizzes, or Assessments inside the selected module. Tap Attempt Quiz now on the scheduled exam activity. Allow camera access when prompted. This activates Moodle proctoring for MCQ exams. Then tick the checkbox to confirm your identity and agree to proctoring conditions. Tap Start Attempt and begin answering questions. Your face must stay visible. After finishing, review your answers and tap Submit All and Finish. If anything goes wrong, black screen, error, take a screenshot and report it to UNISA later. Thanks for watching.